have all the big ass rocks this time around.
Yeah, seems to me I'm throwing around, but it's fun.
Yeah, it's pretty mellow so far. Chase said he drives around in quarries, but I don't think he's ever done anything like this. I don't know about his tires.
You think it's high up enough for that?
Yeah. I just don't want to get us into something a little bit too gnarly.
We did, I mean, we can just reverse out.
Not if he gets stuck. We'll have to make sure we stagger out if we start doing anything a little bit more aggressive. To the left. This isn't a state park or anything. No, not this area. That's someone's house up there. Maybe. The cabin or something. It's just a camping area.
That's why I wanted to read that sign. I thought it said something.
Have you noticed the latest social media fashion trend for women?
I mean, no trespassing to the left of the tree.
Body parts.
I think the right side's okay.
We'll be prosecuted. I think, is that going to the right or to the left there, or going straight? I don't know.
It's to the left, because when I look into the left, I see both of them. I see two more that are facing that way, like towards the campsite. I don't think one of them just up on the campsite.
Alright, gotcha.
Right side too. There's more on the left. They gotta retard proof it. They didn't. So.
Yeah, they blocked off some of those like little paths going up in there.
Fine.
You recording with your GoPro at all?
What do you think about my GoPro?
Are you recording anything with your GoPro?
Everything so far?
Alright, yeah, I got mine on too. This is slick.
Don't worry about it, wait on it.
And we got rocks.
Why do you take time to do it? All that matters, really.
Is the largest online marketplace for natural and organic foods without the hassle of going to the grocery store. Guaranteed to have the best prices and
Go now or keep away?
free with no minimum.
I'll hold up for now until I get on like a maybe a little more flatter area.
From organic to non-GMO to gluten-free and everything in between. All while saving time with the click of a button. And there's no membership fee. To find everything you need at the best prices guaranteed, visit directeats.com today. I went to Walgreens today because I was sounding pretty froggy. Not the cute, I might get a kiss from a prince kind of froggy, but more like I have got some kind of funky cough or cold thing. So I grabbed the right relief right away. Walgreens brand cough and cold relief. It's totally trustable and effective. And poof,
Alright, well I guess you can go ahead and start heading down.
more like a healthy princess again. Walgreens, at the corner of happy and healthy. Now with cards, select Walgreens brand cold flu, mucus, or cough relief products for
Here I come.
$9.99. Use as directed.
If you're in the market for a new car, I've got a great suggestion. Hey, it's Billy. TrueCar shows you what other people in your area have paid for a car. Totally transparent. That means you're going to see the fair price for the vehicle you want to buy. That can save you money and that can save you time. So maybe you'd have more time to start golfing or knitting or, whatever you're into. Find the fair price on a new car online using TrueCar so you never overpay. Over 2 million cars have been sold by the TrueCar Certified Dealer Network. It's fantastic. Visit TrueCar.com or get the TrueCar app and start saving. TrueCar, never overpay. Relive the good old days of country music legend Keith Whitley. Don't miss a Whitley Country Christmas concert, December 5th at the OUC Shoemaker Center.
Hey, there's a section up here you have to like straddle the hill so you don't get too tilted.
Holy shit, yeah. Is it slippery up there?
Yeah, it's kind of slick.
Rising bluegrass stars Johnny Boy and the Ragged Ridge Boys. The lights will mesmerize you, and the songs will take you back to the good old days of Keith Whitley's music. This concert will be one your family will remember and cherish. And members of the Whitley family will be giving away gifts.
Oh fuck, there's a car coming up this.
To an Ohio University student who must be present. Bring your family and enjoy a Whitley Country Christmas concert, December 5th on the hilltop at the OUC Shoemaker Center. The show
Here, I'm a stop here.
are on sale now at OUC. Call 740-774-2200.
My saddle on this enough?
Also available